So in this video, we're going to talk about the spinal cord gross dissection that was nicely done here. We can see this dense outer membrane. That would be a dura mater. And that dura and the arachnoid mater are actually going to be sort of associated with each other. You can see the spinal cord and the different roots that are coming out of it. We'll have a dorsal and a ventral root. I'll show you that in a minute. But see this little thing right there? That is the denticulate ligament. And that's attaching the pia mater to the arachnoid mater. So between everywhere along the spinal cord, between the roots on the right and left side, you'll have these denticulate ligaments. So we had them there. Look, there's another one there. Isn't that cute? They kind of suspend the spinal cord. So from that spinal cord, as I mentioned, we're going to have dorsal and ventral roots. Let's take a peek at what those look like here. You need to go that way. So here's a dorsal root here and a ventral root there. And see this big bump right there? That would be the dorsal root or spinal ganglion. So these are roots coming from the spinal cord at every intervertebral foramen. And after that, the roots, then we're going to form a spinal nerve. So the spinal nerve isn't until out here, and that spinal nerve will then divide into a dorsal branch that would supply the epaxial muscles that have been obviously removed here, and a ventral branch that, depending upon which part of the spinal cord we're associated with, would be either contributing to the lumbosacral plexus, brachial plexus, or just providing ventral roots to supply the skin of the abdomen and muscles of the abdomen. We took a piece of the spinal cord out here, and so I can't really show you the cross-section, but if we were to take that little cross-section and look at it under a light, you could see the H design on the inside separating our white matter from our gray matter. So those are the major items I wanted to show you about related to the spinal cord. Meninges, roots, ligaments. Thank you.